Did he assault you? Did Justin assault you? I know Justin. They rip you out of the car?
Yeah, they ripped me out, G. I'm not doing anything. You guys came to me when I was taking a nap.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. With today's video, I'm going to highlight a different kind of tyrant. This type of individual knows what they're doing is wrong, but they do it with a smile on their face. And these are the ones you need to be most wary of. Today, we're going to introduce you to this guy. And to do that, I'm going to show you a few videos to establish a history with this guy. But first, let's watch him rip somebody out of the car by their hair that's not breaking the law.
Lock it. Step out.
No, I don't. Hey, thank you for recording. Dude, my ass is out. Dude, my pants are falling. I'm not doing anything. You guys came to me when I was taking a nap.
So in my opinion, what you just saw was completely uncalled for and totally unlawful. And I'll break that down in a second. But first, let me introduce you to Justin Henry. As you just seen, this guy will rip you out of the car by your hair with a smile on his face. Now, this idiot pops up pretty often in some of my videos. Here are a few clips of those.
Now, where they are standing, at least the one, is that your guys' property?
Justin, call your supervisor. For these two, I want to make a formal complaint right here when they're done.
I'm actually pretty sure one's already in route.
Good. Wow. Try not to profile anybody anymore. You don't get ID for crosswalk violations, dude. You don't have to wait for a light either. As long as he's in the crosswalk and he's not impeding traffic, he's not jaywalking. Hey, check out Direct D on YouTube. You can learn your rights and these guys won't be able to pull that shit on you. I'll cross in the crosswalk on a red light and I guarantee you won't write me a ticket. So this next part is probably going to disgust you just as much as it disgusted me. You have all these cops, six-figure paycheck cops, standing around messing with people at a bus stop for no good reason, and guess what they're about to do? Pay attention. Are they making you pick up trash?
Making you guys pick up trash? I don't got time.
You know you don't got to pick that up,
You
bro.
gotta do it, right? That's not a lawful order, that's for sure.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
What's going on? What are you guys
Do
planning
me a
on?
favor.
Can I set this down?
Yeah. You got a warrant arrest.
Okay,
You wear that?
okay. No, I was not aware.
Okay.
Are you happy when you go to do stuff like this, man? Does this make you proud of your job? He's happy. Of course we found you standing around sucking paychecks. What you guys doing standing around?
How's it going, brother? What's up?
So what are you guys doing standing around?
It's a traffic stop.
So, yeah, you want to come grab it right now?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Just hey, like they're gonna go. He's gonna go park his car at the studio, and then he's gonna walk back and get your car so that it's not parked here. Okay.
So that was strange, wasn't it? They pull the guy out by his hair and say that he's reaching around and then take him to the back of his car and try to identify him for what crime exactly? But yet this lady in these fancy shoes and really short skirt is getting treated differently than the guy right next to her who's doing essentially the same thing. So I don't understand. What do you think? So, this dude that got ripped out of his vehicle had it happen at this park. There is no trespassing signs as you enter here, as this is public property. It does say park hours are 10 p.m., but that's to be inside of the park. Still don't see any no trespassing signs. So there is no obvious no trespassing signs anywhere for a vehicle pulling into here. There's nothing in front of the parking spots. So it is totally lawful to park right here and sit inside of your vehicle. It's no different than parking on the side of the street. And you just saw what those cops did. So as you just seen, there are no signs indicating that you would be trespassing entering into the parking lot. The only thing I could find about parked vehicles in the parking lot after hours was this Mesa rule saying that unattended vehicles will be impounded. At the end of the day, this is a public parking lot. It's no different than parking your vehicle on the side of the street and sleeping in your car, which is completely legal and lawful. This officer is just a cowboy looking for a confrontation. So at this point, Mr. Justin Henry is probably realizing that he shouldn't have done what he just did and is copping pleas with this guy and trying to explain himself. And it has been my experience that people that have done nothing wrong have no need to explain themselves. Are you assaulting citizens again, Justin?
Hey, that's supervisor.
Is that what? Did he assault you? Did Justin assault you? I know Justin. If you guys want to tell me your story when they leave, let me know. I'll be happy to put it all over YouTube. Yeah, that's all you had to do is just tell him that and then tell him to leave. Fucking idiots. Ripped him out of the car?
Yeah, he wants to search the car.
Did they search it?
No, but he asked if he can search the car.
Ah.
Do you have any questions for us? All right, we'll track you. Do the same.
Beat feet. Get back to work, suckers. Hey, you want a card, man?
What's up?
Let me give you a card.
A card?
You can see Justin on YouTube over there. You can see a lot of these idiots on YouTube here. Here you go. I'm gonna give this to you before they try and arrest me.
Hey, no, it's consent to search it
Mm-hmm.
unless you're arrested.
So, hey, tell me what they did. Did they rip you out of the car?
Yeah, they ripped me out, G. I got that on video.
You got it on video?
Yeah, no,
Awesome.
through the window. Yeah, he came and opened the door from the window.
I mean, he came and opened the door.
Yeah.
Oh, he opened your door?
Yeah,
Oh, shit. Okay.
that was Justin.
Nice. And you got that all on film?
I got that on film.
Perfect. Have a good night, Justin. Have a better night, man. What do you think of that? Be sure to leave me a comment and definitely subscribe if you like this content. These cops are crazy.
Does Mesa Police have a culture problem?
No, we do not.
That's